Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You already have Laravel and Composer ready. Now create the artisan command. Run PHP artisan make a command send reports to scaffold handle. Logic. Once done, open app/console/kernel. PHP and add your command to the schedule method with a clear cron expression or schedule. Helper. Make sure to inject services via the constructor so testing and dependency management stay clean. This is why you create the command first. It isolates logic from HTTP controllers and simplifies scheduling and retries. Next, define the exact timing and safeguards. In kernel, schedule use $schedule command send reports cron 0 **** or every minute while developing. Add without overlapping to avoid duplicates and on one server if you run multiple app instances. Set time zone, UTC, to control offsets, otherwise jobs may fire at unexpected times. To verify, run PHP artisan schedule, run manually and check logs, or use logging inside handle. This confirms both timing and job behavior before system cron runs it. Finally, enable the system-level cron. Edit cron tab E and add ****cd/path/to/project and end PHP artisan schedule, run /dev/null2 and 1. Make sure the CLI PHP version matches your web PHP and that path resolves PHP, otherwise jobs silently fail. If you use queues, ensure queue work is running. When things go wrong, inspect storage/logs/Laravel. Log, check file permissions, confirm time zone settings, and validate that your command returns successfully. That single troubleshooting step usually reveals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.